Hey buds! If you've been watching this channel for a while, or you just know me, you probably are aware that I have a bit of a love for mushrooms. So we've been dabbling in them for a bit, and we have some more plans in the works, but when we saw this kit, we couldn't help but give it a try. Okay, well this is the kit, and it should be pretty simple to set up. First we flip it over, we pop out this piece of cardboard here. Next, we cut an X in our bag. And then give it a good spritz. So now we're going to put this in a location that doesn't get direct sunlight but does have light, and spritz it 2 to 3 times a day, and let's see what happens. Well, our mushroom was doing great and we named him Leo, but we needed to travel, and so we took him with us, and it doesn't seem like he really appreciated the change and started to dry out and change colors. Apparently lion's mane requires a delicate dance between humidity and airflow, and we botched it. So we have made the decision to harvest and see if we can get some new growth under there. And although this round didn't make it to the spiny stage, we don't want it to go to waste, so since it looks like a good mushroom, despite the coloring, we're gonna try cooking it up. All right. There we go, first crop. We are going to keep it simple this round with a dry sauté, first allowing them to release their liquid completely before adding a little butter, a minced clove of garlic, and a little salt. Fun fact, lion's mane is also being studied for its potential to treat Alzheimer's disease and other brain function issues. It has a nice meaty texture and a good flavor. Simple and delicious. Let's hope that Leo can grow us some more.